My name is Danny. Danny are five animals. This is a lion. The lion is run in the grass. This is a fox. The fox is jump over the rock. This is a tiger. The tiger is run in the grass.
Color.
This is a monkey. The monkey banana on the hands. This is a zebra. The zebra run in the grass. This is a gorilla. The gorilla is swimming in the tree. This is a kangaroo. The kangaroo jump over the rock. This is a bird. The bird is flying in the sky. This is a fish. The fish is swimming water. This is a duck. The duck jump. This is a cat. The cat is run. This is a horse. The horse is run. This is a cow. The cow is walk. This is a rabbit. The rabbit is hop. This is a duck. The duck is rock. This is a chicken. The chicken is rock. Animals at the zoo.
Con nói về màu xanh đó.
Animals on the farm. We end.